Borscht is the most popular soup in Eastern Europe, and every housewife has her own recipe for the most delicious borscht. Here's mine. I will cook with veal broth. For that, place the meat into the pot, cover it with water and wait until it boils. Then take the foam out, salt it to your taste and add onion, carrot and celery to make tasty base for your borscht. Give it about 1 hour and a half to cook on a low heat. Meanwhile, we'll prepare all the vegetables, which are chopped onion, celery and garlic, and shredded carrot, beets and tomatoes. Now lightly fry all prepared vegetables. On the fryer pan, put some butter, then add the vegetables one by one, giving each of them 2 minutes to cook. When all your vegetables on the fryer pan, give them 5 more minutes to cook, stirring time to time. Now take out meat and boiled vegetables from prepared broth. We will not be needed boiled vegetables, but we will put the meat back later. Put prepared frying into the pan. Let it boil. Put some salt and pepper to your taste. Add bay leaf and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then cover the pot, lower the heat, and cook for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, shred the cabbage and 20 minutes later add it into the pot. Also, you can return your cooked meat into the pot as well. Cover it and cook for another 10-15 minutes. The last step would be to add your favorite herbs. Give it another 2 minutes to boil and your borscht is ready to be served. Enjoy this healthy soup with your family.
Yummy.
Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.